Hi students, now we'll be looking at question 2 of workbook, page 87. So in this case, first step, highlight keywords. Rectangle ABCD, diagonal AC and BD right intersect at E. So in this case, whenever you see diagonal, first thing that came to mind is what are the properties of a diagonal of a rectangle? So we know that for diagonal of a rectangle, it has two properties. The first one will be that their diagonal, both diagonals are equal in length. Okay, so the two properties that we need to consider is diagonal of a rectangle. Both diagonals are equal in length or diagonals bisect each other. So these are the two properties that we can consider. So bisect just means divide the two equally. So in this case, they ask us to find angle BAE given this angle ADE equals to 55 degree. So angle BAE, where is it? BAE is over here. So let me label the angle. Question mark. In the next one, we need to find angle AEB. 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 So it's over here. So first step, how to find angle BAE, right? Okay, so there are a series of steps that we need to consider. So part 1, label our part 1 first. Okay, so whenever I see triangles, so whenever I see any angles, right, at the corner of a rectangle or square, right, I'll try to make use of the right angle property of a rectangle. So rectangle, let me write down. Okay, so whenever we are looking at angles at the corner of a quadrilateral, right, it means, right, we need to take the total angle minus the angles that we are not trying to find. So this means, right, we need to find out what is the angle DAE. So DAE. So angle DAE, what is it? So in this case, we know that interior angle of a rectangle is 90 degree because they are right angle. So in order to find angle DAE, first step, I need to make use of the diagonal of a rectangle property. I know that diagonals bisect each other. So this means, right, AE is equals to EC. And since both rectangles, the diagonals of the rectangles, they are equal in length. So when they bisect each other, right, it means this one will be equal as well. So in this case, I can actually see a isosceles triangle. Let me use a highlighter to highlight for you. So this triangle over here, AED, is actually an isosceles triangle because in an isosceles triangle, when two sides are equal, they'll be an isosceles triangle. So in this case, angle DAE will be equals to 55 degree, and reason, right, is their base angle of isosceles triangle AED. So this is how you write down reasoning. So once you can find angle DAE, then you can make use of the right angle property of a rectangle. So I know that 55 degree plus angle BAE is actually equals to 90 degree because they are interior angle of a rectangle. So interior angle of rectangle. So the rectangle will be ABCD. So how to find angle BAE, right? Just subtract both sides by 55 degree. Angle BAE equals to 90 degree minus 55 degree, which will give me 35 degree. This is my answer for part 1. Part 2. For part 2. So for part 2, right, I'm trying to find out what is this angle in the middle. Okay, so in this case, right, since I'm seeing a triangle here, triangle, that means I can make use of a triangle property. And since I know that this is a special triangle called an isosceles triangle, I can make use of the same property too. So in order to use the sum of angle of a triangle BAE equals 180 degree. Okay, so for the sum of angle in triangle BAE equals 180 degree, right? We need to make use of this property. Before that, we need to ensure that we have at least 2 angles out of the 3 given. So in this case, I only have about sort of like no angle given. The only angle that I given, right, is the angle that I found in part 1. So this one, okay, let me change color. So this one is angle 35 degree. Label it. So how to find the other angle? So since we know that this one is an isosceles triangle, it means that this angle over here is also 35 degree. So we can write that 35 degree. So we can write that angle ABE is equals to 35 degree also. And reason, right, is they are base angle of isosceles triangle ABE. So now we have 2 angles out of the 3. We can actually find out the angles that we want, AEB. So 2 times 35 degree plus angle AEB is equals to 180 degree. And why is it so? Because they are sum of angles in a triangle. So to find angle AEB, we take 180 minus 70. Because 2 times 35 is 70. Give me 110 degree. This is my answer for part 2. So please take some time to go and go through the process. And if you want to like learn better and internalize this better, right, you can try to teach your friends and explain to your friends and using reasoning, right, to explain to them. And through this process, right, you learn better, just like how I am like teaching all of you, like explaining my thinking process. And this will be a part of you whenever you go for exam, and you won't forget it. So thank you.